Taxes. Imagine this. You've worked all month at a small convenience store, dealing with customers, bagging snacks, giving change. You go to bed and get a notification. Your salary has arrived. It says $2,000 paid. You check your bank balance, $1,500. You pause. Where did my money go? Then you open the payroll details, federal tax, state tax, Social Security, health fund, and realize your money has quietly disappeared under the government's share. The truth is, taxes are the entry ticket to the system. Roads, schools, restaurant inspections, even government projects you've never heard of. All funded through these cuts. Main types of taxes. Income tax, taken from what you earn. Sales tax, taken from what you spend. Capital gains tax, taken from profits your investments make while you sleep. Social Security is a mandatory piggy bank. They take it today and give it back when you are old. The health fund supports the elderly and seriously ill. Tax filing? That's a puzzle. The government already knows what you owe, but still asks you to guess first. If you guess right, fine. If not, they switch to audit mode. Banks. You walk into a bank, hand over your money, and the teller smiles. Added to your account. You leave thinking your cash sits safely in a vault. In reality, it doesn't. Someone wants to renovate their house. Someone wants a car. The bank lends out your money. This is fractional reserve banking. They assume not everyone will withdraw at once. In a crisis, when everyone does, things get messy. Banks earn money by giving you low interest and charging borrowers higher interest. They keep the difference. In return, they offer convenience, cards, security, insurance. Better than hiding cash under the mattress. Interest. You borrow $2,000. When it's time to repay, they want $2,500. The extra $500 is interest. Interest is money's way of saying, if you borrow me, you pay rent. Borrowers pay, lenders earn. Two types: simple interest, straightforward. Compound interest, money multiplying on top of itself. A credit card with 15% interest can make a small purchase grow painfully fast if unpaid. But with a 5% compound interest investment, your money grows quietly over time. Interest is your best friend on the right side, worst enemy on the wrong. Inflation. You grab a chocolate bar. Last month it was $1.50. Today it's $2. Same size, maybe lighter. That's inflation. Money loses value slowly. $10 is still $10, but it buys less. Causes: too much money, too few goods. Production costs rising. People buying early fearing price increases. Some inflation is normal. Too much erodes purchasing power. Governments raise interest rates to cool the economy. Recession. If the economy shrinks for 6 months, it's a recession. One day, everything is fine. Next day, you hear about layoffs, rising prices. Causes: high interest rates, wars, pandemics, global crises. Think of the economy as a party. Everyone has fun. Boom. Lights flicker. Peak. Then everyone sits down and the bill arrives. Recession. But every party ends and another begins. Credit score. Your credit score is your financial report card. A 3-digit number with big consequences. House, car, even phone installments depend on it. Factors: on-time payments, credit usage, account age credit mix, new applications to raise your score, pay on time. Otherwise, your financial life keeps flashing warnings. Money. Money is an idea. It has value because people agree it does. Dollars, Bitcoin, even a metal spoon. If society accepts it, it can be money. Too much printed causes inflation. Too little freezes the economy. Money is trust, investment. The best defense against inflation, investing. Money grows when it works. Tools, stocks, bonds, funds, real estate. Investing is time plus patience, plus diversification. Value. A stone is worthless until people see value in it. Value exists because people believe in it. Provide strong value in your work, and you earn more. Time. The most expensive asset is time, not unlimited. We trade time for money through work. In investing, time is the silent hero. Small amounts grow into wealth over years.